What a great job, Jessica. Many congratulations on getting into a university of your choice with full scholarship. I cannot be any more proud of your achievement, and I definitely think that you are very well deserving of this opportunity and that. Please subscribe to the English Web and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay notified at all times. All your hard work has paid off. I can only wish for good things to come your way as you go on another journey, a new phase of your life, and all the very best with your future studies. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhageshri Mehta. So like a lot of you would have assumed, I just offered a congratulatory message. Now, today's video is about how to write or send a congratulatory message. So I shall be taking you all through the steps that you all should ideally include in your congratulatory message. The first step includes writing an exclamatory or starting off with an exclamatory sentence. Now, like I just said, you want to keep up with the spirit of the achievement. So you want to start off on a high note. What a brilliant job, and you just want to kind of just reflect the excitement of the victory or the achievement. So always start with an exclamatory sentence like, what a great job, bravo, this is indeed an achievement. Something like that, would really be ideal to start off your message. The second step would be stating the obvious. You congratulate somebody. So you start by, so you add something like many congratulations, add the name of the person, and you can mention why you are congratulating. The third step is mentioning what you think about the achievement. Now, like I said, you would be sending across a congratulatory message to somebody you know well, and you would definitely be having an idea about what went into achieving the success that the person achieved. So mention how proud you feel and that it is a well-deserved victory. And you can also state something like the hard work has paid off. Something like that would really be ideal in the third step. The final step in your congratulatory message would be sending wishes for the future. Now, you really want to pump somebody up for the future, help them gear up for the future, and show them, the good picture. Tell them, what the future awaits, and just leave on a very high note. So you want to talk about how the next few years are going to be the best years in somebody's life, and this victory will pave the way for a better future, a brighter future. So always try to end the note on a positive note, something that can really prepare somebody for the future. So these are the broad categories in which I would like to divide my congratulatory message. I will be sharing in the next step how I frame a congratulatory message. So now I have written a congratulatory message which I shall be taking you all through. It is based on the steps that I mentioned earlier. And yes, let's get into it. I have written the message in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'm sorry if you cannot read this. Before I start, I would like to state that whenever you write something, be it a congratulatory message or an email or a formal letter to somebody, always ensure that you stick to your tone of voice. The tone of voice is very important to retain a sense of individuality and to reflect your personal voice. So always retain that. And while I talk about how to send your friend a congratulatory message, it is also important to know that a message may be dependent on a lot of factors, like your individual equation with your friend, your writing style, among other things. So yes, the steps may be the same, like I said, but your voice should be unique. And So yes, you are writing a congratulatory message to your friend who has completed her studies required to become a specialized doctor. I start with Bravo, Dr. Natasha Rai. So yes, this is the first step. I just try to set the tone for the rest of the message. Then I write many congratulations on completing your degree to become a cardiovascular surgeon. Yes, now it is very important that you mention what your friend has done, what the achievement has been. You can also kind of recount some childhood experiences if you've known the friend for long, and speak about how a certain Miss Diva has, transitioned into a beautiful, a brainy doctor, something of that sort if you want. It completely depends on you. With your relentless hard work, countless sleepless nights, and dedication, your victory is no surprise. I wanted my message to be a mix of formal elements as well as informal elements. Now, I know the fact that it is a friend that I'm writing to. When I say the word formal, I try to use some words like hard work, countless nights, or proud, which kind of impart a formal tone, just so that I do not really compromise on the value of the achievement. I really want to retain what it is that really got my friend to where she is, and I do not really want to start another sentence, which is why I add a comma after. So I write your victory is no surprise, comma, and I simply cannot wait to see you succeed in your upcoming professional endeavor. And I end the message with, watch out all you doctors. So yes, this is just to end the message on an equally high note. I can also add something like, watch out all you doctors, a beauty with brains has joined your league. Something of that sort. Since I've already mentioned her name over here, I am not writing the name again, but make sure you try to get somebody's name in the message. It adds a personal touch to the message. Any congratulatory message more or less includes all the points that I have covered. Make sure you draw from your experiences, personal experiences with the person you're wishing, before you write any message, congratulatory message. So yes, that was about how to write a congratulatory message. If there are any more questions or suggestions you have, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, The English Web. I shall see you guys soon. Goodbye.